This is the last beam that will be installed across this 4-lane highway here, boss. This is at Kampung Dahab or Huba. Dahab is here, and Huba actually is on the other side of this highway, and towards the distance there will be going to Nambazan. So quite safe for me to stand here. The traffic is well under control. This on the left side here, they put a detour so that the traffic doesn't go underneath the beam while it's being installed. So you can see people on top of the installed pre-stressed beam. Yeah, giant size pre-stressed beam. Yes, wonder, like very heavy. The longest span I've ever seen. It has to be a very long span. It struggled across this 2-lane here, and another 2-lane here. No, actually 3 lanes here. 3-lane road here and a 3-lane width road, highway here. So imagine the beam is now spanning over 6 lanes of highway. Very long span of a beam. It's pre-stressed with a tendon already tensioned underneath this the underside of this beam. Oh, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. I just realized they're raising it very fast. They're raising it very fast. Quite fast. Yeah, quite fast. It's going up, going up, going up. Oh, it's going up. The crane is raising it up on both sides at very fast pace. Yes, look at that. It's so fast. It's very fast, my dear. Very, very fast. Right, it's well above the girder. Yeah, the girder is well above. It's well above. Now move sideways. It's gonna move sideways. Fantastic red. Yeah, it's well above. It's a very fast lift, you know, I've ever seen. It's very fast. Yeah, and the 2 cranes on each side are lifting the beam exactly the same, keeping it horizontal. It's kept horizontal. Now it's above. It's above. Yeah, now it's moving. It's moving to the on top of the on top of this. Ooh. Right, it's over it. There's a man there checking the position, standing very close to a live beam. Very brave guys, but they know what you're doing. And there's enough width next to the lorry there. The trucks are strutting all across the beam, and there's enough room. Oh, the traffic is withheld there for a while. Just to be sure that until it's moving slowly to the correct position. Fantastic. There you go. You're going to lower down. Traffic are held there at the moment. Traffic at the D2 here is withheld while they lower down the beam. Look at that. Go on. Are you going down? Yeah, it's moving, it's moving. It's moving. Yes, they allow the traffic to go down. They allow the traffic to go down. The fellow is slowly being lowered to the correct location on top of bearings, on top of rubber bearings. I just wish I could see it right on the top. Slowly does it. It's lowering it very, very slowly. Not much traffic up. This is around 2 o'clock in the morning. It's amazing how the two cranes can move and position it very, very slowly. Steadily equal level at both ends of the beam. Very precise, precision work. One still in the same location. It's still in the same location. The guy must be checking the exact position of the beam. My God, that beam is easily 3 times the height of the man. The depth of the beam is nearly 3 times the height of the man there. And he got a light shine on it.